much has been said about our frontline workers, thanking them for everything that they do and the sacrifice of their own safety to do it. But who are these workers? Jennifer Bellamy looks at those working to keep us all going.
As they clean, deliver, sell, and care, America's frontline workers have become some of the most at risk. They're not able to shelter at home like so many of us, and it's being felt across their industries as some get sick and others die. According to an Associated Press analysis of census data from the country's top 100 largest cities, it's a reality that falls unequally across demographics. It's mostly women, people of color, immigrants, and those in lower socioeconomic classes serving on the front lines of this pandemic. So let's break it down group by group. Of our healthcare workers, 75% in most cities are women. Among frontline workers, they're the most likely to have health insurance, but 7% still don't have it, and more than 8% live below the federal poverty line. Those numbers closely mirror those of Atlanta. When it comes to warehouse and delivery workers, more than 60% in most cities are people of color. In Atlanta, that number is more than 88% people of color and nearly 30% without health care. And over the past few weeks, many across the country have staged protests over conditions and compensation. We find the most diversity among grocery workers. They're evenly split between men and women, and in most cities are more than 40% white, 15% black, and 14% Hispanic. At least 16% live below the federal poverty line, and 15% don't have health insurance. The analysis found janitors are the most vulnerable financially of frontline workers. In Atlanta, more than 90% are people of color, more than 50% are women, 35% live below the poverty line, and 44% are without health care.